Reading out loud is one of the fun and interesting jobs for lots of people that wants to make money online, and there are thousands of people doing this from the comfort of their home at their own space, and in most cases setting their own rates. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited. If you're new here and you're seeing this for the first time, hi, I'm glad to have you here. So I recently shared a video on how you can earn through this avenue on ACX as a narrator, but got some feedback comments that ACX wasn't accepting application from certain countries, and I just had to do some research on other ACX alternative that will be beneficiary to you to be able to make money online through this avenue. And guess what, in today's video I would like to share with you ACX alternative that you could earn between $250 to $400 per finished hour just by reading out loud as a narrator. So if you're a beginner looking for ways to make money through this avenue, or you're already on ACX earning money and you're looking for other options, other alternatives to earn more, you might want to watch this video to the end. So if you're interested, let's dive right into it. So our number one on today's list is findawayvoices.com. Findaway Voice is a service that connects authors with audiobooks narrators that are simply searching for a particular voice for their books. When an author submits a book to Findaway, they will select a narrator from the talent pool that will be a good fit for the book based on the author's criteria. If you want to become a narrator on the platform, you have to create a fully customizable profile page like this one here that includes an audio intro, sample filter tag, a background image, and a personalized URL. You can as well tag your sample with specific language, accent, or tone, making it easy for authors to find you easily. How much will you get paid? That's another question, but here you get to set your own rate. So basically you get to state how much you're getting paid, unlike ACX where the author sets the rate. But you should note, when it comes to this website, there are no royalties like ACX, so you are only getting paid per finished hour. So once you finish with a project and wrap up, the author gives final approval on the audio, calculates what you are owed, and you will get paid within 14 days. So our number two on the list is voices.com. Voices.com is a similar website that connects narrator voice artists with companies and brands who need it. You can see from their website they've been featured on Shopify, Microsoft, GoDaddy, Cisco, etc. Unlike ACX that focus mostly on audiobooks, voices.com gives you varieties of options to choose from, such as documentaries, e-learning, movies, movie trailers, podcasting, radio ads, video games, video narrations, and many more. And most of these options offers more money to use your voice. And another good thing is you also have the freedom to set your own rate for any project and also interact directly with the client. They accept voice over narrators from all over the world. You can see from their website other narrators from all over the continent. You just have to click here to get started for free, create your profile, upload samples. This could be samples of your previous work if you have any, or if you don't have, you just add a sample of your voice. If your voice is what the client is searching for, he or she will reach out to you, communicate on project proceedings and price. How do you get paid on voices.com? Well, while you work, your payment is held safely by voices.com and released automatically to you once your work is done. And this could be via PayPal, check, etc. So you could just go through their frequently asked questions for more answers on some certain questions you might have. Our number three on the list is bunnystudio.com. So Bunny Studio claims to work with narrators with over 100 languages and accents and deliver voice over writing and design services. You also get to set your own rate too, as you can see from their website here. These ones are polls of other narrators with their rates. So if you're interested, you just jump right into it and create an account, take a test, and get reviewed, and when you're accepted, they will contact you with jobs. Our number four on the list is spokenrims.com. Well, this is similar to other websites I've just mentioned, and once you get accepted as a narrator, they match you up with an author, or the author could also find the people that he or she would like to work with, contact them directly, work out details and some sort of arrangement, including royalty shares, a per finished hour rate, or maybe a combination of both. I'm going to leave all the link on the description below, so you just go through anyone you feel like and create an account. So our number five is voice123.com. This website is used by narrators in over 100 countries. So check if they are available in your own country. You go ahead and sign up, create a profile, and upload your samples. Whenever there are jobs opening according to their website, the client contact the narrators directly for the auditions for the jobs, which means a client could browse and filter from pools of other narrators and what they are looking for, listen to sample works, contact and hire a narrator directly. You can also get invited to participate in a voiceover jobs that matches your preference and budget. If you're interested, you can then submit audition, and if the client picks you, you negotiate and get hired. You can get paid through PayPal, credit cards, checks, or wire transfer. Upwork or Fiverr. This is another website that you could set up your account as a narrator or voice artist, upload samples, and start submitting proposals to jobs such as this ones right here, and other ones searching for voiceover artists. And all you need to do is just lend your voice and get paid. And we've come to the last one, which is our number 7, which is this website called wehearfm.com. Just like the other platform I've mentioned, we are looking for audiobooks narrators to join their platform. So this is what I found on their website. How do you benefit from wehearfm.com? You earn money doing what you love, boost your narrating career and get recognized, attract worldwide audience, and expand your influence, which means they're accepting beginners as well. And if you have experience, that's an added advantage. The first thing you need to do is to send in a demo. You can choose any books for the demo, but they recommend you choose a part that includes dialogues or dramatic scenes that can characterize your voice better. The second thing you need to do is to attach your resume when submitting your demo. This includes your name, about your voice talent, and what makes your approach unique. And lastly, any narrator's experience that you have, and set your own rate per finished hour. So that thing you do is to work with the editors to select books. Next, you will receive an offer and sign the contract, start recording and upload weekly and get paid. So guys, I'm leaving all the links on the description box like I mentioned earlier. So if you find this interesting and you want to make money through this avenue, just go through the links and sign up and get started. So but if you want me to keep making content like this, just leave a comment below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, subscribe to our channel, turn on your notifications so that whenever I bring content like this that could help you make money online, you will be notified. So for now, I hope to see you next time in our next video, as I will be signing out. Peace.